the ultimate guide to building agenic AI applications in 2026. Let's explore the significant transformation occurring in AI today. We are transitioning from tools to agents. Beyond mere software responses, we're witnessing systems that can think, plan, act, and enhance themselves autonomously. In 2026, the most valuable applications won't simply be AI-powered. They will be agenic AI applications, capable of making decisions, executing workflows, and functioning with minimal human intervention. If you understand how to create them, you have a tremendous opportunity. Today, I'll outline the best approach to building agenic AI applications for 2026, straightforwardly and step by step. There's no exaggeration. No confusion. Just practical strategy. Let's get started. Defining an agenic AI application first, let's clarify the concept. A standard AI application awaits commands. You inquire. It responds. Conversely, an agenic AI application operates differently. You provide it with a goal. Then it determines what actions to take, when to execute them, how to proceed, what the next steps should be. For example, instead of requesting, "Write me an email," you would say, "Increase my email list by 20% this month." Then, the system researches, creates content, schedules campaigns, tracks results, improves outcomes. This is agenic AI. The advantages of agenic applications in 2026. Here's why this trend is gaining traction. They save time. They lower expenses. They scale effortlessly. They operate around the clock. They learn endlessly. Companies don't desire tools. They seek systems. Agenic applications qualify as systems. Step 1. Set a clear objective. Every agent requires a mission. Without one, it will falter. Your initial step is to define one goal, one outcome, one measurable result. Possible examples include increase sales by 15%, reduce support tickets, automate lead qualification, manage content publishing, optimize ad campaigns. If the goal lacks clarity, the agent becomes ineffective. Clarity is crucial. Step 2. Decompose the goal into tasks. Next, you'll establish the cognitive framework. Ask yourself, what steps are necessary to fulfill this goal? For instance, in lead generation, consider identifying prospects, analyzing profiles, sending messages, tracking replies, following up, updating the CRM. These steps form your agent's workflow. Think strategically. Design like an engineer. Step 3. Select appropriate AI models. Not all AI models are created equal. By 2026, leading agenic systems leverage a mix of large language models for reasoning, vision models for images, speech models for audio, search models for research. You don't need every type. Choose what aligns with your task. Tailor the model to the mission. Step 4. Establish a memory system. Agents lack intelligence without memory. They ignore context. They repeat errors. They essentially start anew. Your application requires short-term memory for current tasks, long-term memory for learning, user profiles, project history, performance logs. Memory is what transforms automation into intelligence. Step 5. Provide tool access. Agents need physical capabilities, not just cognitive abilities. Equip them with tools, APIs, databases, calendars, CRMs, payment systems, analytics platforms, social media tools. This enables your agent to take action, not merely contemplate. Step 6. Establish decision-making rules. Having autonomy without restrictions can be perilous. You must set boundaries. Implement rules such as maximum budgets, approval thresholds, risk limits, triggers for escalation, ethical standards. These ensure your business remains safeguarded. Smart agents adhere to these guidelines. Step 7. Develop feedback mechanisms. Learning hinges on feedback. Your agent needs to understand what succeeded, what didn't work, why it failed, how to make improvements. Utilize performance dashboards, user ratings, A/B testing, outcome tracking. Feedback fosters evolution. Step 8. Begin small and refined. Avoid aiming for a super agent on day one. Start with a narrow focus. One workflow. One outcome. One specific use case. For example, design an agent that manages customer onboarding. Perfect that. Then, scale. Expand after achieving success. Not 4. Step 9. Utilize no-code and low-code platforms. By 2026, coding everything is unnecessary. Leverage agent frameworks, workflow builders, API connectors, visual logic tools, cloud deployment platforms. This approach allows for rapid prototyping. Achieve results in days, not months. Speed is key. Step 10. Prioritize genuine business value. Numerous AI applications falter due to being innovative, yet impractical. Always assess, does this save time? Does this enhance revenue? Does this minimize errors? Does this improve user experience? If it doesn't, redesign. Value triumphs over novelty. The Agenic AI framework for 2026. Here's the winning framework: goal engine, task planner, reasoning model, memory layer, tool integrations, decision rules, feedback system, deployment layer. When these elements connect, you possess a true agent. Not merely a chatbot. Identifying the greatest opportunities. Currently, the highest demand exists in sales automation, marketing optimization, customer support, content operations, financial management, HR onboarding, e-commerce administration. Create solutions for pain points, not fleeting trends. A final thought. Agenic AI is not something for the future. It's our current reality. The next wave of billion-dollar applications will be not smarter chatbots. They will be self-directed systems. If you grasp this now, you're ahead. If you disregard it, you'll scramble to catch up later. Begin straightforwardly. Build intelligently. Iterate swiftly. Concentrate on value. Like this video, subscribe, and stay engaged.